You may have heard the phrase, let's not put the cart before the horse. Well, as instructional designers or teachers, we have this problem. Sometimes we think about what's in the cart first, like we think of our goodies like Kahoots, participation clickers, animated videos, colorful PowerPoints, some kind of strategy we can get to engage our students. But what we need to do is determine over here, the horse, are the goals of our administration. And then once we get that, we can get the goals of the lesson. And then we can come up with critical behaviors that we're hoping to gain, that the students will gain from our lesson, from the goals of the lesson. And so when we think about this, let's not put our cart before the horse. Let's remember to let the horse pull, or the goals that we have, let those pull, and then let what follows be maybe the systems or the strategies or the teaching styles that we can use to enhance the lesson and make those goals work.